We're going to start with 1 sweet onion and 2 tablespoons of garlic. We're going to saute that with a little bit of oil until it's nice and caramelized. Next, we're going to add in 1 pound of lean ground meat, and we're going to saute that and get it nice and browned. Add a little bit of Creole seasoning to it so it won't start off bland. And that's 1 can of drained kidney beans. Next, we're going to add the tomatoes. The diced tomatoes, I had 1 can of that as well. Okay, if you have chili lovers in the house, please double this recipe. I'm going to add 2.5 cups of chicken stock into this, along with 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Next, I'm going to add a packet of chili seasoning. Now, you don't have to use the packet. It's just a shortcut. I'll list below the ingredients it takes to make your own in case you have the spices at home already. We're going to let that simmer for 20 minutes. Since I'm allergic to dairy, I'm going to make coconut sour cream. Now, the first step is remove the cream from the can. There's going to be liquid at the bottom. You can just get rid of that. I added 2 tablespoons of cilantro and lemon juice and salt and pepper to taste. And you're going to notice it's missing a little something, like a little twang that sour cream has. Apple cider vinegar. I added 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And when I mixed it together, I was like, finally, I got a sweet spot. It's not as thick as sour cream, but it's good enough to make a good drizzle, and it absolutely tastes delicious. And just like that, we're done. It's cold outside. You know it's going to be cold this weekend. Try this chili, man. You know what? If it's the summertime when you watch it, if it's hot where you live, still make this chili. It's delicious. The cream is so divine. It's such a smooth compliment. Look at it. Oh my God, look at it. Oh, you got to make it. Get some crackers, get some hot bread, feed your family. Thank you for watching.